unboxing video it came in with caution tape. And so I thought it was a fabulous package about, looks like something, maybe a mystery, I don't know. And so it comes with this letter. And the book is The Candy Mafia. And so when you open it up, it's an ARC. It's by Lavie Tidhar, illustrated by Duncan, and definitely a chapter book. Let's see more about it. Okay, oh, it's a city where candy is outlawed. That is a grim city. That is dystopian right there, right off the bat. Got a 12-year-old private detective, because it looks like there's a black market for candy. So that's kind of fun. I think kids can relate to that. And so here, of course, then, do not open. It is hidden. Perhaps it is a candy stash? Da, da, da. Let's check. No, more tissue paper. And da, da, da. Something's in the tissue paper. Let's open it up. And yes, oh my goodness. I think I've been... You know, this is the notorious candy gangster Eddie de Menthe. Oh, that's cute, like creme de menthe. Or so perhaps I got a secret stash. I don't know if anyone's expecting payment or how dangerous this is, but what a great package. So this book is by Peachtree Publishing. Thank you so much, and I look forward to learning more about the Candy Mafia.